These cars are history. Some of these cars are one-of-a-kind cars. Maybe some cars they only made 50 of. They're rolling artwork.
It's like, who gets the chance to be around a 1960 Ferrari or a 1940s Mercedes? Like, it's amazing.
One of the beauties about this program is that having these automobiles here is like a great reference library for the students. You know, not very many schools have this to look at. It's very important and it's very helpful. We teach woodworking, we teach machining, we teach metal welding and metal fabrication. We teach upholstery, we teach electrical. We do a computer drafting class to modernize students to learn how to do a little bit of 3D printing.
You really go through all facets of what a restoration is.
We're learning how to make automotive parts from scratch, basically.
This is so hands-on that you have to be here.
The professors have really been one of the highlights. You're working with people that have been in this industry forever, and what they know is invaluable.
All the teachers, they are experts in this field. You get to know the most useful technique, so we gain our ability really quickly.
Like, you cannot learn this stuff anywhere else.
When you think about it, you're sculpting a fender, you know, you're matching a color. It's really, you know, these craftsmen, they're really artists.